Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the basic requirement of plant tissue culture laboratory and media preparation. It is study material for class 6th semester. First we should know what is the plant tissue culture. When we talk about the plant, then plant tissue culture is common term used for in vitro culture of plant cells, tissues and organs. In vitro means the artificial condition, whatever plant require in nature like soil, water, mineral elements, light and other things. In the similar way we provide these things to plant material in vitro condition, that is in artificial condition, in laboratory conditions. The plant part which is used for regeneration is called explant. Explant may be leaf, may be shoot, may be root or embryo or any other plant part. Any plant part can it can be any cell, it can be any tissue and it can be any organ. Then requirement of plant tissue culture is the culture medium, which is a nutrient medium which contains all essential micro and macro elements, carbohydrates, vitamins and hormones. Culture media differs from species to species, and the regeneration capacity or ability of plant cell to develop into whole plant is known as totipotency. This is the basic condition that every cell has totipotency, that it has the capacity to develop into a whole plant. First we should know about the basic requirement of plant tissue culture laboratory, which equipment is required, what are the basic needs. So there is autoclave is required, pH meter is required, magnetic stirrer is required, magnetic beads is required, weighing balance and laminar airflow are essential equipments that are required in the laboratory. Besides this, some aseptic conditions should be maintained in the laboratory. For it, we use autoclave, we use laminar airflow and hot air oven to sterilize the glassware, instrument, culture room, nutrient media and plant material. Sterilization, for sterilization, high purity water is used, glasswares are of standard quality. These are the basic requirement of the laboratory. For the sterilization, we use dry heat method through hot air oven. Flame sterilization can be done. Wiping with 70% ethanol can be done, and filter sterilization is another method. After that, autoclaving and surface sterilization is done. Autoclaving is wet heat method sterilization, and for surface sterilization we use sodium hypochlorite or 0.1 to 1% mercury chloride solution or calcium hypochlorite solution in different percentage according to the explant plant material which is used for regeneration. Then we talk about the nutrient media. Nutrient media has inorganic nutrient content. Basically, nutrient media used for tissue culture are B5 medium, Mushrag and MS medium, that is called Mushrag and Scoop medium. We will here discuss about the MS general medium, Mushrag and Scoop medium, which is generally used for plant tissue culture. The nutrient medium contain inorganic mineral elements, growth hormones, vitamins, carbon source, amino acid, solidifying agent as an agar medium, and organic constituents. Medium has to be modified as per the requirement of a species. The culture medium developed by Mushrag and Scoop used with some modification in various crop species. Inorganic nutrients are of two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. In case of macronutrients are those nutrients that are required by a high amount for the plant culture, tissue culture, and micronutrients are those which are required in minute quantity by the plant explants. Micronutrients examples are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients are manganese, zinc, copper, iron, sodium and molybdenum. Besides it, growth hormones like cytokinin, carnitine, myostatin, indolactic acid, IB and 2,4-D are commonly used as growth hormones. Vitamins B1, niacin, B2, B6, B12 and H are used for plant tissue culture, and as a source of carbon, sucrose is used, and for amino acid, L-asparagine, L-glutamine acid, aspartic acid are generally used for the culture medium. Another thing is the solidifying agent, that is a polysaccharide obtained from red algae, Giladium, which is used. Agar does not react with the constituents of media, therefore it is used and are not digested by the tissue enzymes. After all, when finally media is prepared, its pH is maintained with about 5 to 6. It should be maintained before sterilization of the nutrient medium. So we have discussed here the composition of Mosaic and scoop medium and for the tissue culture. In next lecture we will proceed further. Thank you.